Rahul Gandhi and his understanding of the system that he has been a part of? That debate coming up.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस में जब दादी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी तब था, पापा थे, मनमोहन सिंह जी थे, तब भी मैं जाता था, तो मुझे सिस्टम अंदर से मालूम। सिस्टम इज अलाइंड अगेंस्ट लोअर कास्ट्स।
जो बायोलॉजिकल हैं उनको नरेंद्र मोदी जी कहते हैं कि भैया आप सब बायोलॉजिकल हो, मैं बायोलॉजिकल नहीं हूं, मुझे परमात्मा ने ऊपर से भेजा है।
यूपी का भविष्य रात को शराब पिए, नाच रहा है, डांस कर रहा है, नशे में।
1 लाख रुपए हिंदुस्तान के सबसे गरीब महिलाओं के बैंक अकाउंट के अंदर हर महीने टकाटक 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 टक।
Well, ladies and gentlemen, while Prime Minister Modi is sparring the saffron surge, the BJP is also banking on its secret weapon, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. That's right. The Shehzada of Congress, as the Prime Minister calls him, may just be the second biggest decider this poll season. As you heard, he admitted that the system built by his own parivar, his nana, his dada, his father, his dadi, was and has always been against lower caste. His remarks that Prime Minister says he isn't biologically born has gone viral. After Rahul Gandhi visited the holy city of Banaras, he said, यूपी का युवा शराब पीकर नाच रहा है, झूम रहा है नशे में. After boycotting Pran Pratishtha, Rahul Gandhi claimed that Adani was there, which he wasn't, and that Aishwarya Rai was dancing, which she clearly wasn't. And then Rahul Gandhi promised to shower the people with money, really women, with money coming into their accounts. Takatak, takatak, takatak. This meme was circulated extensively, not by the Congress, but by the right-wing ecosystem. Rahul Gandhi may be a social media sensation, but he isn't a vote catcher for the Congress, at least in the last 2 elections. And 142 rallies held by him, BJP won 80% of those seats. In contrast, Rahul Gandhi has done many such rallies and won only 16% of the seats where he is campaigned. Is Rahul Gandhi's BJP's biggest Brahmastra? That's the question, and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me with our guest is Dr. Sumant C. Raman, political analyst. Sumant C. Raman, do you think once again a big gaffe by Rahul Gandhi, who says, I know the system, I've been part of the system, and this system is loaded against lower caste? And he names all his ancestors from Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi to UPA government, and himself, where he's been part of the system. Yet another self-goal?
Absolutely not. I think it takes a tremendous amount of courage to openly acknowledge the reality, despite the fact that his own family has had a part in things remaining the way they are. And that, mind you, in the last 25 years, the Congress has been in power in 10 and the BJP has been in power for 15. So there also things have not significantly changed. Let's be very clear. There is an institutional discrimination against OBCs, SC, STs in this country, across the board, whether it is in higher bureaucracy, whether it is in judiciary, whether it is in in the political classes, everywhere there is an institutional discrimination. I don't even think we need to argue this point. When I tell you, for instance, let me tell you, in the 605 judges who have been appointed to the high courts between 2018 and 23, 2.9% are Dalits. and 1.49% are belonging to the scheduled tribes.
Convenient
For a
time
population
periods for
of
Dr. Suman
approximately
Siraman to pick up
23%.
Smita Prakash.
No.
No.
I'm
Smita
just-
Prakash,
I'm just- wait
you know,
one
he
minute.
talks
I'm-
only about the
No,
last
1 minute.
25
Let me
years
finish.
because that's
Let
a
me finish.
convenient
Let me
time.
finish.
So no, you know, you will go on unless I
No,
stop you, Dr.
Rahul
Suman
Gandhi
Siraman.
is
But
not saying
Smita
25 years.
Prakash, Dr. Suman Siraman,
Gandhi,
I'm the anchor. I will moderate the debate.
Rahul Gandhi did not say 25 years.
You said.
He said his
I'm not-
father, his
I'm not
grandmother,
questioning
he
Rahul
blamed
Gandhi,
everybody.
sir. I'm questioning you.
I gave a statistic.
That is why I'm saying the
I am
premise of your
saying that
statistic
nothing
is
has
wrong.
changed.
The premise
Rahul
of your
Gandhi-
statistics is wrong, Abhijit Iyer Mitra. Don't
not
hold
wrong.
your head in your hands. Smita Prakash.
It is not
Smita
wrong.
Prakash, do you think Rahul Gandhi is saying that he was part of the system, his family was part of the system, and the system is loaded against lower caste, actually makes him part of the problem or the part of the solution?
Yeah, he isn't acknowledging a reality. He's acknowledging only a part of the reality that yes, discrimination exists. But the part that where his family for generations together perpetuated that discrimination is not something he's willing to accept, let alone see it. He says that he was there and he has seen it. He has seen it from close quarters. Did they do anything to stop that? That he's not willing to say, right? He's just watching. So which means they benefited from that discrimination. Otherwise, why didn't they put a stop to it and end to it immediately? That he could have said that, right? That I saw this or my ancestors saw this happening and they stopped it. No, he didn't. He just said that I have an insider's view on what happened. Now, you know, what I can see it is that Rahul Gandhi has become like a sophisticated Arvind Kejriwal. He's become like a Krantikari who's picking up left of center causes, completely Marxist causes. No harm in that. But that is not present in the Congress manifesto. And if you notice that not many people who are official spokespersons of the Congress party defend it anywhere. It's not something the India Alliance partners talk about or endorse it in any manner. Rahul Gandhi has now gone in his own beat. He's clearly at that stage which is completely different from 2019, where he's not even listening to the old guard in his party or that coterie which used to be around him.
He's turned
now
into a
firing from
political
all
machinery.
guns
Instead
in
of
the
a
last,
political machinery
phase
winning
of
elections, he's turned it into a NGO, as many BJP leaders have called. But Shazia Almi, you're smiling. You're smiling because I think everybody in the BJP loves Rahul Gandhi. So long as he's, the opponent to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he's actually, your trump card.
You know, Navika, I sometimes I just wonder and as to what goes on within the pretty little head of Rahul Gandhi ji's. You know, and I think his back is to the wall. All that they spoke about reservation, caste census, it's all been exposed. Prime Minister has gone, not just hammer and tongs, but all of us, they've exposed him for who they are. Jitni abadi, utna hak. Now, obviously, that doesn't work. That gets counterintuitive, and that obviously does not go with the Muslim-based reservation. And that also means that Muslims should get more and be a part of reservations. Then they talk about OBC. Now, again, they've been caught. Prime Minister has spoken again and again and again as to how cutting into the OBC quota and bringing in Muslims, which actually take away whatever rights OBCs have, and their own quota will get shrunk. So I think the poor guy is trying to make sense of the situation, and he is very disturbed. There's a lot of pressure on him, and he can't quite fathom as to what he's saying.
Lokesh
which is
Jindal,
exactly what this
Lokesh
is.
Jindal,
have you just
part of the
discovered there
system,
has been a lot of
part of
has
the
you
system,
discovered
actually
that
Rahul Gandhi takes blame for something maybe even he is not responsible for, and does that actually do any good to the Congress party?
You know, Mahatma Gandhi once said that first they will ignore you, then they will laugh at you, then they will fight you, and then you win. And what I see right now is Rahul Gandhi going through this entire process steadily and certainly towards victory. What he says today is absolutely right, Navikaji. If you're talking about the entire constitution, the positive obligations upon the state, what the state ought to do for the lower caste, for those who are the marginalized sections of the society, we have not done enough. In fact, that's the reason why we still have majority of our population still in the below poverty line.
Very well,
deprived
but
of
Abhijit Iyer
education,
Mitra,
socially
they had the
backward,
chance to do
economically
it in
backward.
Indira
On the
Gandhi's time,
social
in
justice
Nehru's
front,
time, in
we are
Rajiv
still-
Gandhi's time, and they didn't do it. And now
No.
they want to blame the Modi Sarkar for it, number one. Number two, Garibi Hatao is a slogan that came in 1971. 75, Indira Gandhi said, koi magic nahi hai, hard work is required. And today Rahul Gandhi is still saying, garibon ke paas khatakhat, thakathak, thakathak. So what's changed?
I'll
So,
tell you what
Navika,
is.
I would just remind you of Rajiv Gandhi's own speech in Parliament in 1989. He claims in this speech, I've got the transcript. I'm just going to give you some chand namune here and there. He says, please remember, my mother Indira Gandhi won the 1980 election claiming na jaat na paat. He then goes on to say that this has all been hastily done. The rollout of the Mandal Commission, implementation of the Mandal Commission has been hastily done. It will not succeed because we need comprehensive societal reforms. And that the Prime Minister doing it is endangering the country by doing it and not protecting us against Pakistan. Remember, by this time, the Pandit genocide had begun. Now, it's very curious that that man's own son is, forget the hastiness. The Mandal Commission was already 10 years old before VP Singh decided to implement it.
Absolutely.
The son is breaking out promises left, right and center. 1 month back, it was 72,000 rupees khatakat per year. 8,500 rupees, he said, khatakat per month. Then it became 15 lakhs. Today, now it becomes 25 lakhs of health clearance. He opposed he still opposes the Agniveer scheme, which is 5 years of on the job this thing. But then he says we will provide all apprentices with 1 year of paid training. 1 साल पेड ट्रेनिंग अगर मैं बोलूं अच्छी बात है, अगर आप 5 साल का मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग दो वो गंदी बात है. ये भाई ये कहां से, this boy doesn't even.
Well, is Rahul Gandhi becoming the trump card for the BJP? Has the Congress been embarrassed by this latest attack on the Congress by Rahul Gandhi, whether they admit it or not? Well, we leave that judgment to the people of India, because 4th of June, we will know kiska formula chala, kiska nahi chala. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you for joining me, viewers, tonight. Good night and be safe.